Hi, I'm Akshay Kumar Adams, National Sales Manager for Schmalz India. Welcome to Foaming Now. Nowadays, in the industries, we find a lot of challenges in material handling. For example, in an industry of electronics or where the manufacturing processes are taking place, where a lot of assembly lines are there, where like manual labor has to pick up the work pieces with their bare hands and they has to shift it to other stations. And in this tedious way of handling wherein the product gets damaged, there will be injuries to the operators while handling this expensive products and sharp edges kind of a products. For such challenges, we Schmalz India have innovative solutions wherein I have a special product which is specially designed for precise handling of this expensive electronic products wherein manufacturing processes will become much easier while handling in the assembly lines. As you can see, precisely with two fingers I can lift a weight of 50 kg without any effort. So in this system I can easily configure the system where I want to lift it, where I want to get it down, which will indeed help the operator in the handling procedures wherein operator can easily and safely lift these products without any injuries, without any damage to the products.